Good morning, my dear third semester electrical students. Today, I will discuss some important problems based on properties of steam. You know that what is the total heat for hot steam? It is given by the formula small h is equal to HF plus x into HFg, where HF is equal to sensible heat of water, HFg is equal to latent heat of vaporization of steam, x is equal to dryness fraction of steam. Then what is total heat for dry saturated steam? It is given by the formula, you know that Hg is equal to Hf plus Hfg. Then what is the total heat for superheated steam? It is given by the formula H superheated is equal to Hf plus Hfg plus Cp within bracket T superheated minus T saturated, where Cp is equal to specific heat at constant pressure, T SCP is equal to temperature of superheated steam, and T SAT is equal to temperature of saturated steam. Now, I will solve some problem. Problem number 1. If the dryness fraction of a given sample of steam is 0.85, find the mass of water particles contained in 2 kg of this steam. Data given. In this question, Ms plus Mw is equal to 2 is equal to total mass. But we know that dryness fraction of steam X is equal to Ms by Ms plus Mw. But X is equal to 0.85 is equal to Ms by 2, because total mass is equal to Ms plus Mw is equal to 2. Therefore, Ms is equal to 0.85 into 2 is equal to 1.7. That means mass of dry steam is equal to 1.7 kg. But in our question, find out mass of water particles in kg. Again, we know that Ms plus Mw is equal to 2, or Ms is equal to 1.7 plus Mw is equal to 2. Therefore, Mw is equal to 2 minus 1.7, that is 0.3 kg. This is the mass of water particles in suspension is equal to 0.3 kg. Next question, number 2. Steam is being generated in a boiler under a pressure of 10 bar. Find out enthalpy of 100 kg of steam when bit 1 steam is dry saturated, bit 2 dryness fraction of steam is 0.95. First, data given. Pressure is equal to 10 bar. Then HF is equal to 763.0. HFG is equal to 2013.5. From this steam table is essential at the time of examination, because at the pressure 10 bar we find out HF is equal to 763.0. That is from steam table. This steam table is very much essential at the time of examination. HFG, latent heat of vaporization, 2013.5. First of all, question, steam is dry saturated. That means when steam is dry saturated, then total heat or enthalpy for 1 kg of steam is given by Hg is equal to Hf plus Hfg. Putting all the values, we have 763.0 plus 2013.5 is equal to 277.6.5 kilojoule per kg. This is total heat for dry saturated steam for 1 kg of steam. But in our question, find out 100 kg of steam. Therefore, total heat for 100 kg of steam is given by 100 into 2776.5 is equal to 276560. This is the required answer for 100 kg of dry saturated steam. Next question, dryness fraction of steam is 0.95. Since dryness fraction is given, that is 0.95, that means this steam is wet steam having dryness fraction 0.95. Therefore, total heat for 1 kg of steam, H is equal to Hf plus X into Hfg. What is Hf? Sensible heat of water. What is X? Dryness fraction of steam. What is total Hfg? That is latent heat of vaporization of steam. Then putting all the values, we have 763.0 plus 0.95 into 2013.5 is equal to 2675.825 kilojoule per kg. But in our question, find out 100 kg of steam. Therefore, total heat for 100 kg of steam is given by the formula 100 into H. That means 100 into 2675.825 kilojoule is equal to 267582.5 kilojoule. Now I will solve another two problems. Next question, calculate the enthalpy of 1 kg of steam at a pressure of 8 bar and dryness fraction 0.8. How much heat would be required to raise 2 kg of this steam from water at 20 degree centigrade? Data given. here P is equal to 8 bar pressure, X is equal to 0.8. From steam table, that is at pressure 8 bar, HF is equal to 721.3 kilojoule per kg. HFG, latent heat of vaporization, is equal to 2046.5 kilojoule per kg. Then we know that total heat for wet steam having dryness fraction 0.8 is given by H is equal to HF plus X into HFG. Putting all the values, we have 721.3, that is HF is equal to 721.3 from steam table, plus 0.8, dryness fraction is equal to 0.8 into 2046.5 is equal to 721.3 plus 1637.2 is equal to 2358.3 kilojoule. Heat required to raise 2 kg of this steam from water at 20 degree centigrade. Therefore, heat already in water, that is the formula, heat already in water is equal to mass into specific heat into rise in temperature. Therefore, mass is equal to 1, specific heat is equal to 4.2 into rise in temperature is equal to 20 degree centigrade is equal to 84 kilojoule. Heat actually required is equal to total heat minus heat already in water is equal to 2358.3 minus 84 is equal to 2274.3 kilojoule. But in our question, heat actually required for 2 kg of steam. This is for 1 kg of steam. But for 2 kg of this steam, we have 2 into 2274.3 kilojoule is equal to 4548.6 kilojoule. Problem number 4. From question number 4, find the enthalpy of 1 kg of steam available at 12.5 bar pressure under the following conditions. Bit A, steam is wet having dryness fraction of steam is equal to 0.8. Bit 2, steam is dry saturated. Bit C, temperature of steam is equal to 270 degree centigrade. From steam table at pressure 12.5 bar, HF is equal to 806.6 kilojoule per kg. HFG is equal to 1977.3 kilojoule per kg. TSA, that means saturation temperature is equal to 189.84 degree centigrade. But here the given temperature is 270 degree centigrade. But at pressure P 12.5 bar, saturation temperature is 189.84 degree centigrade. From these values we find out from steam table. Therefore, first question, steam is wet having Dynex fraction is equal to 0.8. That means bit A steam is wet steam. Therefore, total heat for wet steam is given by HF plus X into HFG. Putting all the values, 806.6 plus 0.8, X is equal to 0.8 into HFG 1977.3 is equal to 2388.44 kilojoule. Bit B, when the steam is wet saturated, when the steam is dry saturated, that means Hg is equal to Hf plus Hfg. Putting all the values, we have 806.6 plus 1977.3 is equal to 2783.9 kilojoule. Bit C, this steam is superheated steam. Therefore, we know that superheated steam is given by the formula HF plus HFG plus Cp within bracket T superheated minus T saturated. Here Cp, the value of Cp is equal to 2.1 kilojoule per kg given. Putting all the values, 806.6 plus HFG 1977.3 plus 2.1 within bracket T superheated is equal to 270 degree centigrade minus 189.84 is equal to 2952.236 kilojoule. These are the values of total heat for wet steam, total heat for dry steam and total heat for superheated steam. Total heat or enthalpy is the same thing. Next class I will discuss what is boiler and its function, and these are the parts of a boiler and function, and describe Cochrane boiler. Thank you.